Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Zero to Hero. Today we are doing one simple thing. Set up Ubuntu 24.04 on your Windows machine using WSL2 and launch VS Code. That's it. No extra steps. Let's get your development lab ready. Quick reminder, we use WSL2 because it gives us a real Linux environment, fast, lightweight, and fully integrated with Windows. If you prefer VMware, VirtualBox, or cloud server like AWS, that's totally fine. Search YouTube for tutorials on those, but for this course, WSL2 is the fastest path. Let's begin. First, open PowerShell as an administrator, then run this command just to see available Windows Linux subsystems. Now, run this command to install the environment Ubuntu 24.04. Username 0 to hero. So just for testing, I'm putting this one, and as you see that the invalid username name must start with lowercase letter and or underscore. So this is the error you get. So please follow the instruction with it and enter the correct one, and that is 0 to hero. And enter the password. Now confirm password. Now we are on the WSL2 system. It is Ubuntu. Now, first things to do is to type type the commands. Like we have to go to the correct folder, like correct user 0 to hero. So how we can go there is that simple steps, and we will follow that. So first thing, cd, we have to type cd, and then we simply enter cd/home, and then we have to type ls, and that will list uh, the the username we created 0 to hero, and now we can go to 0 to hero. And now we can simply go to this VS Code by typing code dot. So this is the way, like you can go simply to VS Code from the WSL environment. So now you can see the VS Code is ready, and let me show you. Yes. So I close the VS Code and reopen it, as you see. Just by clicking at the folder, you can open the page. And now you can check the terminal and simply type here pwd just to see where exactly you are. So we are in the exact folder where what we created. As our goal today, get a clean Ubuntu 24.04 system ready for development. That's it. Not extra step. we performed, no distractions. In the next video, we will add VS Code, Git, and Docker inside Ubuntu. But for now, let's just get the foundation right. Quick recap. WSL2 for speed, integration, and simplicity. Alternatives exist. Use what works for you. Today, we set up Ubuntu 24.04 ready for our lab. All links, GitHub, Discord, YouTube, and my LinkedIn are in video description. Drop a comment, Ubuntu ready, if you got it working. Next step, VS Code plus Git setup inside Ubuntu. See you soon. Thank you so much.